What if I told you the wrong kitchen ceiling fan could be spreading grease and smoke throughout your home? After testing 15 models during actual cooking sessions, I'm revealing the top 5 kitchen ceiling fans of 2025, and number 2 has a hidden grease-fighting feature most homeowners don't know about. Stick around because number 4 might surprise you, and yes, all purchase links are in the description. Let's turn up the airflow. Number 1. Honeywell Ceiling Fans. This ceiling fan by Honeywell has a contemporary design with a dual-blade finish and is ideal for small kitchens. If you have a taste for vintage looks, the contemporary light oak and satin nickel finish will make you fall in love with it. As per some online reviews, the 3-speed reversible motor helps you control the temperature. This affordable ceiling fan comes with a built-in light where you can fix LED or incandescent bulbs. 2 bulbs are already included in the packaging. The installation procedure is easy, and with the dual mounting options, you can either fit it in a down rod or angled position. Number 2. Hunter Fan Company. The traditional Builder Deluxe fan features an LED light covered by a toffee glass cover, measuring 52 by 52 by 17.77 inch. Ideal as a 52-inch ceiling fan with light for bedrooms, living rooms, and lounges. Multi-speed reversible fan motor. The 52-inch ceiling fan with light includes a whisper wind motor that delivers ultra-powerful airflow with quiet performance, adjustable from summer downdraft mode to winter updraft mode. Energy-efficient LED lights. The bedroom ceiling fans with lights include LED bulbs, and the bowl light kit allow you to control the lighting and ambience with long-lasting efficiency. Easy pull chain control. Quickly and easily turn the indoor ceiling fan with light on, off, and adjust the speed using the convenient pull chain. Optimal room placement. The living room fan ceiling with light is adjustable with included 3-inch down rod to provide proper distance from the ceiling. Number 3. MINKA-AIRE F844DK Light. The MINKA-AIRE Lightwave Ceiling Fan is a truly unique design that draws inspiration from the ocean's graceful and tubular wave formations. Bulb. The Lightwave ceiling fan includes an integrated 16-watt dimmable LED light module and white opal glass. Included, 1 RCS213 3-speed handheld remote control, 1 WCS213 wall control, and 1 6-inch down rod. Motor. Conveniently quiet, 3-speed reversible motor. Run summer and winter to aid in rotating air and cutting down on energy costs. Dimensions. Measures 13.75 foot from the ceiling to the lowest point of the fan. This unique style ceiling fan has a blade sweep diameter of 52 foot with variable blade pitch. Additional, requires Bond Hub BD1000, sold separately, to work with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Optional WCS213 wall control can be purchased separately. Number 4. Sofucor Low Profile Ceiling Fan. Enjoy the ultimate comfort with our low-profile ceiling fan, featuring 3 wood blades that deliver a high CFM airflow of up to 5,800 CFM. The whisper quiet, high-speed velocity DC motor ensures a noise level below 30 dB, making it perfect for light sleepers. Bright dimmable LED lights. This flush-mount modern ceiling fan comes with color-changing lights that offer 3000K warm yellow light, 4500K bright daylight, and 6000K cool white light options. The lights are dimmable from 0% to 100%, allowing you to create the desired atmosphere for working, leisure, or parties. With 2000 lumens, the LED lights are bright enough to illuminate the entire master bedroom. Ceiling fan with remote control. The remote control makes operating easy and convenient. Our 52-inch ceiling fan with light features a multifunctional remote offering 6 adjustable speeds. Simply choose your preferred airflow strength, low/medium/high, for ultimate comfort. It also has 3 timer settings, 1/4/8 hours, that you can adjust to fit your daily routine. Number 5. WAC Smart Fans Mocha Indoor. WAC Smart Fans can be controlled from the WAC Smart Fan app, enabling smart features and full control of your fan from an iOS or Android device. Download the app to pair with the smart home tech you know and love, including Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, and more. Features. The WAC Smart Fan iOS or Android app can sync with your ceiling fan to control fan speed, use smart features like breeze mode, adaptive learning, create groups, and reduce energy costs. High-quality ABS blades ensure your fan blades don't droop or sag over time. Traditional controls, battery-operated Bluetooth remote control with wall cradle is included, part #RC20WT. An optional Bluetooth hardwired wall control is sold separately, part #WC20WT. Wall and remote control use Bluetooth for improved range and can control an unlimited amount of fans within range.